A very good morning to all of you. So yesterday we discussed about how sound is produced. Sound is produced by vibration. So today we'll continue our chapter number 13 of physics, that is sound. So in this class we'll learn how sound is produced by human beings. How we are able to speak, how we are able to produce sound. So first of all, before learning that, I will request you to follow this activity which I am doing. Now take your two fingers and touch your throat. Touch your fingers to your throat, your neck, here. So when you speak, say something. When you speak, you will feel some vibrations here. In this section of your throat, you will feel some vibrations. Okay? So, as I already told you, as a result of vibration, sound is produced. So, the area which is getting vibrated here is called the voice box. This area in the neck, this region in the neck is called the voice box, which is vibrating. You can feel it, you can feel the vibrations. Okay, so these vibrations result in the formation of sound. So the sound is produced by the vibrations in the voice box. Okay, so now let us learn in detail about sound production in human beings. So now we'll learn about sound production in human beings. So as I told you, the sound in the human beings is produced by the voice box. The voice box, or it is also called larynx. Okay, so the sound in the human beings is produced by a structure present in the neck region, which is called the voice box or the larynx. Okay, the other name of voice box is larynx. So now this voice box is present just above the windpipe. As we know, in our neck we have two pipes. One is the food pipe and other one is the windpipe. So larynx is present near the windpipe. This is called the voice box. Okay, so what happens in the voice box? There are two vocal cords. In the voice box there are two vocal cords. Now what are vocal cords? These are like structures or membranes. These are structures or membranes which are stretched like a rubber band in our neck, in our voice box. So in between these two vocal cords there is a space, there is a narrow slit or space. In between the two vocal cords there is a narrow slit. Slit means there is a narrow space between them. So what happens, as I told you that the vocal cords vibrate. So how this vibration is taking place? What happens when we inhale the air? When we inhale the air, when the lungs take in the air, so the air passes through the space between the vocal cords. The air passes through the space between the vocal cords, and these vocal cords vibrate, and thus sound is produced. Okay, so I repeat, what happens? There are two vocal cords present in the larynx, the voice box. So what happens when the air in between the two vocal cords, there is a narrow slit. Narrow slit means there is a space between them. So when the air passes through that space, the vocal cords vibrate and thus sound is produced. So now we all have different kinds of voices. We all have different kinds of voice. So how is that possible? The vocal cords, I have told you the vocal cords are stretched. Means they are stretched like a rubber band in the voice box. So these are stretched with the help of muscles. There are muscles present which are holding the vocal cords. So these muscles hold the vocal cords tightly or loosely, and these muscles can be thick or thin. I repeat, the muscles which are holding the vocal cords can be thick or thin, and they can be holding the vocal cords tightly or loosely. So depending on the muscles are tightly holded or loosely holded, they are thick or thin, there are different kinds of voices. Means each individual, each person have different kind of voice depending on the thickness and the thickness of the muscles and whether they are tightly holding them or loosely holding them. So this is how sound is produced in human beings. You will understand better with the help of the diagram. You can see when we look at the structure of the voice box, this is the larynx or the voice box in humans. So this is the structure. Can you see these two? Can you see these two structures? These two are the vocal cords. Okay, and in between the vocal cords you can see there is a space. This is the space present between them. So this is the narrow slit or space. So what happens? These vocal cords are holded by the muscles. So depending on the tightness of the muscles, how tightly or loosely they are holded, and the thickness of the muscles, there are different types of sound. So what happens when the air enters, when the lungs inhale the air goes through the slit, the air goes through this space, and when the air comes in this space, the vocal cords are set into vibrations, they vibrate, and ultimately sound is produced. Got it? Now listen one more thing. These vocal cords vibrate and the muscles are holding them. So only due to the tightness of the muscles we all have tightness or looseness, or what can we say, they are thick or thin. We have different kinds of voices.